So thank you so much for coming to my channel once again. Thanks to all my returning subscribers. And if today is the first time of coming across my video, I want to say you are welcome. Feel free, stay and enjoy yourself. Today I will be putting on how to make soda soap. I will be using my palm kernel, bleached palm kernel. If you have checked my videos, you know there are two ways we can bleach our palm oil. Palm oil. It's palm oil. The way you can bleach it with chemicals, and you can bleach it with on fire. Okay, so this one I did it for fire, and then this is how it looks like. This is I have 250 grams of palm oil here, bleached palm oil, and here I have 100 grams of lye solution. The caustic soda there is just 33 grams, and then the water is 100 grams. So I have 100 grams of lye here. Okay, and then I have here sugar syrup. I have 2 teaspoons, and then dissolve it in water and melted it on fire. Okay, so we are good to go. So what do I do now? I pour my oil here. Please always make sure your oil is warm to avoid early thick trace. Always make sure your oil is warm. Okay, I'll be using titanium oxide. That is the white color for this soda ash. Why do I call it soda? This soda soap. Okay, so you mix it with the oil because it's oil soluble. Okay, it's oil soluble, so you mix it with the oil. I want it to come out white. You know, usually the soda is in white color, so you have to mix it thoroughly and make sure there's another way you can mix it. Just take a little of the oil, which I did in my other video. Just take a little of the oil and mix the color first before pouring it into your oil. Okay, so you have to mix it and make sure everything is well mixed. While we wait for it to dissolve very well, just to release to us that I have this ebook on soap recipe, formula made easy on making soap. In it I have simple recipe for you to work with. Simple recipe you can do at home, the ones you can use for business and make for profit. And of course I have in it some challenges you meet in making your soap, and then solutions to them. And of course many of your questions on the mind, wondering why is it like this? You can have it answered in this book. Okay, and then wherever you may be, this book will make it easier for you to contact your chemical vendors for producing your soap. Okay, just it's okay. Okay, you can see that our color is well mixed already. It's very well mixed. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll be pouring my caustic solution, that is lye solution, to it. Okay, so and as you pour, you mix it. Okay, you mix it. You can see it because the water was already cooling. The oil was already cooling. It's almost forming the thick trace already. And then, you know, I'm adding this sugar solution, and then this one will help in making it to foam well. Okay, the sugar syrup will help it to foam very well. And deliberately I will prepare it to be a bit thick, so you can see this is what we call batter. That is the mixture of the oil and caustic soda is forming the batter. Okay, time. You know, we have different type of traces, though this one I will want it to be thick so that I can mold it. I intend to mold it anyway. I intend to mold it. You can put it in any of your containers that you like. Okay, there are some Sodasoap that are in ball shape and some in the container, beautiful container shape. I think I will do both of them so that we can make our choice. If you look at it, you can see that it's not really coming out whitish as I expected. So in other words, when you are doing yours, make sure that you use smudge color. Okay, so the one I'm going to do in the bowl, I will do it now and then pack it so that it doesn't form too thick. And then the one for the molding, I will let it solidify a bit. Okay, do well to reach me on the line on your screen for more private lessons. I mean for practical online classes anyway. And please do chat, okay, so that you don't call at all time. Do chat, and then let's get to the online classes. There are people on the online classes already having their challenges met. Okay, you also have your own met too. Just reach us there. Looking so glossy and beautiful. Okay, I will pack the one for this plate here. Okay, I've packed the one in the container, so I will leave this remaining one. I will want it to be a bit solidified so that I can mold it. I want to mold this one. Okay, I want to mold this one, but this one is in a container so that I can have two different type of shapes. Okay, it's time to mold now. Okay, I've molded some of this one. I've left it for about 2 hours. Okay, so what I did, I got a peanut oil, so I put it in the pan and I scoop from here. Depends on the size you want to make the ball out of it. Okay, these are the ones I've made before, so can use the sizes you want. The oil is so that it doesn't stick to your hand. So it depends on the size you want. You cannot do this one immediately because it was still soft. You have to allow it to solidify a bit. Okay, the online class is still available, and then don't forget to buy the ebook. You can get more insights, more recipe, which you can learn at your own convenient time. Okay, make sure there's oil on your hand, which you can learn at your own convenient time. And of course, if getting the chemicals is your problem, there are addresses there for you to follow. Okay, just DM me with the number on your screen for the online class so that you join the numerous people that are already there learning. Okay, so your oil should be here. You know, I say I wanted the cup one and the bowl one. Okay, so you can go on and on like this. Your soda soap is set. Okay, that's it. Some still have the round one in the market, so if you prefer the round one, can go ahead and use your round one. If you prefer the one in the cup, the choice is yours. Okay, just make sure you put oil in your pan so that it doesn't stick to your pan. Thanks so much for staying till now. See you in my next video. Bye.